Hey, what's up, friends? Ray with Docket Timberworks. Winter's looking like it's pretty much done. Looks like 70 today. It was kind of in the 50s earlier this week and 40s last week. So it's pretty much that time to go ahead and, if you put your saws in winter mode, depending on where you live, it's time to take them out. You want the cool air and you don't want that hot air in there anymore. Sure. I've got 4 models that have a winter summer mode. So we'll go over those for you. It's easy to change. It takes a matter of seconds to minutes, and your saw will run better for it. So just remember, in the winter time, you need to put it into winter mode, and in the summertime, you need to open it back up and let it get fresh air. Okay, first saw up on the table is, well, it's my first saw. It's 271 Farm Boss. It cuts wood. This one's pretty easy. Once you got that top cover off, you've got an orange plate down here, and it's kind of tight in here. It's kind of hard to see. And there's a snowflake right here in the white part that says, you know, it's a snowflake. And you've got an orange little plate, conveniently sized for the scratch. Okay, so this is what it looks like. But if you were to watch it from the front, okay, it wants, in winter mode, the snowflake, it wants the window inside. In summer mode, we want the window outside. Slides right in, and effectively what it did was close this little hole off. You probably can't see it, but it closed it off, and now it only gets fresh air, hot air. There we go. I felt it starting to cross thread, didn't want it. That's another reason why it's good to use hand tools and not these impact drivers, because those impact drivers will strip these little plastic cases right out. Okay. Turd Boss is done. MS250. I can only assume that the 025 and the 251 is the same. I've never owned one. But this is a 250. Press the choke, rotate this over, this guy comes off. Sometimes it's easier to get the little air filter out of the way. Sometimes it's not. Sometimes you can get it. But it's a black little plastic piece. Here's your snowflake. Here's your sunshine. It was like this, and it left a window open. Now we're going into summer mode. We're blocking that window off. So we're keeping the hot air out, only getting fresh air. Easy peasy. My favorite, my 461 or my 371. It's probably a tie, but this is a badass saw. I love this saw. Okay. My oil filter, foam filter, always comes out with it. And this one you can kind of see what's going on, maybe. Here's a snowflake down here. Here's a little sunshine up here. Here's this little black plastic plate. Sometimes you're better off just pulling up on this orange piece and getting that guy out of there. And you just pull them up to the top side. So it opens this up for fresh air. It blocks off the hot air. Don't forget your air filter back in there. This might not affect half the country, but I'm pretty sure it affects all of Canada and a good portion of the United States to run these in winter mode. I think Echo may have won it on this one, on this 620P. This thing, you got a little mark here, winter mode, summer mode. This little black piece, boom, summer mode. Lever it back out, winter mode. Easy as gets. All right, friends. Well, I hope that was a help to some of you. You know, I'm sure most of you already knew it, but some of the newer saw owners or just getting into chainsaws, you know, it might help. Bought it used on Marketplace or somewhere else, and you don't have the manual. Some of you might not even know that it exists. So there it is. Y'all have a good one. We'll catch you on the next one.